Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's recipe, simple, easy, and affordable dish. Chicken feet is the name. Here are the ingredients. Now let's wash our chicken feet. Make sure to remove the dirt at the chicken feet pad or other parts of it. Then cut the claw. This part is inedible, so we need to remove it one by one. Now let's prepare our chicken feet before sauteing. Add a bit of salt, followed by your calamansi juice. Mix it well and set it aside. Next, saute our garlic, onions, and ginger. And when your ginger is golden brown, you may now add on your red chili. I prepared adding the chili on this part as I wanted my dish to be really spicy. Then, you may now add on your chicken feet. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Let the chicken feet absorb the flavor of your garlic, onions, ginger, and red chilies. And once your chicken feet is simmered for 10 minutes, you may now add on your soy sauce, followed by your vinegar, ground pepper, bay leaves, brown sugar. And once all the ingredients are in, time for you to add water. You don't need to worry about the water that I added in, as we need to cook the chicken feet from low, medium, and high heat. At this point, turn your stove into low heat. Let your chicken feet to become tender. After 20 to 30 minutes, this point your chicken feet is mediumly tender, and time for you to turn your stove to medium heat. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes until your chicken feet is tender.
A few moments later.
At this point, your chicken feet is tender. Turn the heat to high and wait until you reach the consistency of the sauce that you wanted. And there you have it. Your chicken feet is ready to serve.